Johnny Entertainment Films for the movie No Talking. Come out, come have some fun. First viewing at 5, September 13th, that's today. Second viewing at 7, that's also today. Come out and enjoy. We're looking for musicians, actors, any talented people to come build Pittsburgh up. It's time for us to build and grow. We could be the next Texas, we could be the next California, we could be the next big spot as long as we manage and leverage appropriately accordingly. So come out, come have some fun, bring your family, bring some fun vibes, good energy, and let's have it. Let's go to the top. Let's get it. Let's go.
Yo, it's Cap Zero. I have my boy Nels premiere at Waterworks for his movie No Talking. We got an after party at the bridge in East Liberty. While you come out, join us. We're gonna have a good time. A couple performances from a couple of the guys. You know, 5 20-minute sections. Everybody gets a little something, a little bit of flavor, everything. You know, like a buffet of hip hop culture. So come on out.
You know what it do, boys. You know who it is. Your boy Tate from the movie No Talking. First step at the cinemas right now. Hey, catch me at the bridge. We're gonna come to the after party at 9 o'clock. East Liberty, you know where it's going down there. No Talking. Your boy Ian. Shout out to the whole cast. Shout out to my boy Lelsey. Shout out to Terry Jackson. Shout out to Harris Pratt. We got Tella. What things on the way. I like your boy.
Out here, we about to make more bread. Taking chances out here, we about to make more bread. Taking chances out here, it's about the bread. Taking chances out here, it's about the bread. When I say I'm from the yo, try and act like they don't know. Hey, can't go where I go, and I keep it low, bro. Even with the setbacks, it's forward I go. Money, lingerie, stay fresh and clean like my clothes. Calling all the plays like a head coach. Missing me in traffic like El Chapo. Money moves and music, it's how I make my dough. Women looking at me like a Michael. Pushing beats like a gangster, pay the fool. Niggas that talk that shit, make it in the news. I be bringing that heat, kill me with the blues. Making more money, watch me keep it cool. Taking chances out here, it's about the bread. Taking chances out here, it's about the bread. Taking chances out here, we about to make more bread. Taking chances out here, we about to make more bread. Taking chances out here, it's about the bread. Taking chances out here, it's about the bread. Taking chances out here, we about to make more bread. Taking chances out here, we about to make more bread.
I take chances, got my money up, now I'm back in. Stood in on 5, now I'm in that bitch on all 10. Pistol stack and grip, never been a featherweight. I don't want no handout from no man, I'd rather wait. Allergic to being broke, only roll with some bosses. I don't do the fuck shit, shit makes me nauseous. I don't trust just anybody, that shit'll get you wet. Soon as you let your guard down, that's when the niggas act. I remain humble, and I don't do the bragging shit. I stay in my own lane and maintain on me having shit. I stay on some G shit, that's how I got this far in life. Life is just a big ass gamble, but you ain't rolling.
Hey, good movie, guys. Man, Calculating,
Big screen.